relationship between here and Kano, taking into consideration his great friendship with the late Ikemba of Nnewi and other top government and private individuals. This is the first time I'm coming here as an emir, so it is really my first outing out of Bichi and Kano into any part of the eastern Nigeria. This will remain indelible in my history, and I will never forget this opportunity. I've come here as a son, I've come here as a grandson, I've come here now as a friend, and I pray I will continue that relationship that has been built between our forefathers and the late fathers here, as well as the government. We really appreciate the opportunity given to us at a very short notice. And I won't talk much, just to pay my respect being here and to let you know that I'm here to attend a burial ceremony. He's a friend also of a family professor, an late professor who has been close to our late dad as well. And after his demise, I continued the relationship